रात के 12 बज रहे हैं and I need to get to packing. I have to leave day after tomorrow in the morning. My flight's at 8:30 and I've not started packing. Leaving aside the makeup, but that's very... I have to do that beforehand. So let's get to packing. I have to open my bed. I have to open a couple of parcels that I've ordered and put everything in that bag. This one. Before I go forward, मेरे पास ये new deliveries आई हैं and we need to open them right now because they have to go with us on the trip. Number one is this fashion jewelry set of earrings. I think they're gonna go with everything, so that is why they're going. I mean, like, look at those golden hoops. Next are these pair of sunglasses. They're so nice. Like, okay, थोड़ा Prada का dupe सा लग रहा है, but like it looks good. I mean, the quality is fine for the amount I've paid. I don't really mind. And the white ones are so good and they're very sturdy, like very, very sturdy. So I just thought of purchasing these bags for every time I travel, क्योंकि वापस आते हैं ना तो लगेज बहुत हैवी हो जाता है बिकॉज वो कपड़ा खुल चुका है, उसमें मॉइस्चर आ गया, उसमें एयर आ गया, सो दैट टेक्स अप मोर स्पेस एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन यू नीड समथिंग लाइक दिस. इट विल पंप आउट द एयर. उसको पूरा एयर टाइट कर देंगे. Like it shows here, before ऐसा होगा आपका लगेज and then after, so it is much easier to organize your stuff with this. So it has one pump and it has a couple of storage bags in different sizes. So we've opened the bed and now we need to pick out things that I might wear in Goa. Number one, this is my orange cord set. This is so cute. This has one shoulder off and is cropped also, with a pair of shorts, kind of like a Bermuda short kind of. I also want to take this cord set that I have in orange and blue. This is pretty similar. The shorts are very similar to the previous one, but number one, it's a printed fabric, and दूसरी बात, ये jacket है. This is like a jacket look. Number two, then I might as well take this along with me. This is one of my favorite cord sets, and ये मेरी बुआ ने बनाया. मैं बुआ is a designer, so I really love the fit on this one. This also has to go. This also will go. I want to wear this to my grandparents' anniversary. We're going there to celebrate the 60th anniversary and my uncle's 50th birthday. This is something I'm planning to wear. Super cute. So we're down to 4 fits more. This is gonna be fit number 5. This is a washed look for a denim, but this is actually, I think, linen or cotton. And this is a 3/4 pant, and this is a jacket. Like, we don't have buttons on it. I remember I told her to put some buttons on this one. 5th, this has to go. This is my favorite dress from Ann Taylor, and yeah, Ann Taylor. This is my favorite dress of all time. This is such a picnic vibe, so I'm gonna take this no matter what. We're down to 6 fits. My 6 fits were done, so we're gonna move to the rest of it. This is an extra cord set just in case, like maybe if I go to the beach. This is a dress. I don't remember where I got it from, but I really like it. This is Forever 21, but this is given to me by somebody from my family, which I can't make out right now. But this is a good morning breakfast dress because I don't like pants in the morning. A spare t-shirt. Have the same pants. One is in black and white and one is in blue and white. I actually like this one more, but I think I worn it a little too much, so there's a chance I might wear this one. These two are going. Then 2 of my shirts and one more extra t-shirt. This is actually one of my friend's t-shirt that I've stolen or maybe just hijacked, okay? I'm just gonna start throwing things in, and I'm gonna take an iron, so I hope that solves a lot of my problems. So I'm stocking all my undergarments is this one, so there you go. Let's start adding some socks. I'm gonna take only 2 pairs of socks because I don't think I'm gonna need shoes or such. So this is my undergarments and a couple of extra crop tops for the heat. I hope I'll be garmi ho because I'm sick of this winter. I put in a hat also because I generally like, but it's dirty, so no. So I put my essential clothing already inside, and tomorrow I'll put in some shoes, accessories, bags, and just in case if I need anything extra. For the necessary, we have my white sundress. You're gonna keep this, and we have to add like a couple of more things. This is where I put all the extras, like these are my undergarments, straightener, anything else I might possibly going to need. A bag, some footwear, 2 bags, some pasties, some bindis, and this has all my accessories in it. So I've kind of hid the liquor, like you can see here, and you can't actually take open bottle, it has to be sealed. Then I forgot my underarm ruler and a couple of sanitary pads, my sunscreen, my hat, and I think I'm kind of done. These 2 are going with me. This is my handbag, vanity, this bag, and then I'm gonna take that small one. That's all.